Yeah, so it is definitely wash day, or at least time to wash my hair. And like right now, I don't even have the patience for it. Like it would at least take 5 or 6 hours. So we'll have to do that some other day.
But just not today. Not today.
So today's plan is to go to the gym. I believe I'm gonna do about 30 minutes. I may split it up, 15 minutes on the treadmill and then 15 minutes on the, can't think of the name, the elliptical. Yes, that's it. Y'all, it's been a while. I've been doing a lot of traveling with my husband, and so I will link his channel. We went to California. We went to the opening of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge out there in Disneyland. So I'll link that video up top, and it'll also be in the description box down below. And we also went to the opening of Hagrid's Magical Creature Motorbike Adventure. It's a whole long title, but we waited 13 hours in that line. Like, would you all have waited 13 hours to ride a ride? Yes, no? Let me know in the comments down below if you would have waited 13 hours to ride a roller coaster. And actually, it was worth it. So I'll definitely link that video as well. I burnt myself with a curling iron. It's healing, but oh my goodness. I think I got myself twice, here and on my ear, but anyways. So yeah, we've been doing a lot of traveling just to keep us occupied and keep us busy. Man, we've actually enjoyed traveling, just gotten our mind clear, helping us just to kind of cope with what happened. We are doing much better, even though it's still hard. I also wanted to talk about like overthinking. There were a lot of times where I overthought, or I've been overthinking as far as you know, was it me? Was there anything else I could have done? Just really blaming myself for a lot of what happened. But overthinking can lead to, of course, bad habits. Overthinking can lead to weight gain, hair loss, stress. I realized that I overthink pretty often. There are a lot of things that are beyond our control that we can't control. Like, I was so upset that recently I wasn't able to do something, and because I wasn't able to do it, I was so down, I was so upset, like I was so mad at myself, and I'm like, well, what can I do right now in this situation? There was absolutely nothing that I could do. So the only thing I could do was just, you know, sit there, maybe pray about the situation, and just keep going on, and you know, just have faith that that situation would get better. Another good way to kind of get these things off of your chest is to journal. Yeah, you can also journal about anything that's going on. I think it's really good to keep a journal. Journaling is definitely a way even to see how far you've come in a situation. Write down what you're going through right now, and then several months later you can look back at that situation and say, wow, like look how far I've come, look how much I've grown from that situation. Just do something that's fun. I picked up a new hobby, so I'm all about fitness, and you guys know that. So I picked up the new hobby of baking. I actually made my first cupcakes like maybe this past weekend, and so I'm probably gonna make more and just give them out because I can't, of course, eat all of those sweets, but I thoroughly enjoy making them, and they really do help with, like, I don't know, it's a stress reliever. It really occupied my time trying to get the recipe and doing all that stuff. So yeah, find something that you enjoy doing that occupies your time, that gets your mind off things, and that'll help. Yeah, I'm actually filming in the recording studio right now. My brother and I also do music. That's another hobby that I have, and there's our whole little setup here, and our recording booth is in here. This is where we make all the magic happen. So I'll also link some music to where you guys can listen to that too. So we're about to go to the gym soon. This is why I have not worried about washing my hair, because like if I wash it and then go to the gym, it's just gonna frizz right back up. So eventually we'll get to wash day. Okay, so he's still sleeping, so we're gonna sneak out. We're gonna go to the gym for about 30 minutes. All right, guys, so I am here at the gym, and instead of doing the treadmill today, I think I'm going to do 15 minutes of the stationary bike and then 15 minutes of the elliptical. That way I can switch up my workout routine. I get on the treadmill literally almost every single time I come to the gym. So we're going to switch it up today. Let's go. Guys, so I am very tired, but I am very happy. So the workout went very well. I burned over 200 calories. Woohoo! So I'm not going to overeat and put those calories back on. So we burnt them off so they can stay off, and then we'll just, eat accordingly. So soon I'll be headed out to try to find something to eat light for lunch. And then we'll keep moving on with our day. So I am back from the gym, just showered, got all clean. I'm back in the studio. Oh, I wanted to show you all that this is bottle number 2. I try to drink at least 4 of these a day. And I have a question for you all. How are you all doing on your fitness journeys? Do you all need help? Do you need motivation? Is there something that you would like to see? Let me know in the comments below how you all are doing. I encourage you all to use MyFitnessPal. With MyFitnessPal, you are able to track the calories you've eaten throughout the day. It has everything from your vitamin C to your vitamin A to how much protein you're getting to how much sodium you're eating. It can also track how many steps you're taking, how many calories you've burned during your workouts. All you have to do is log everything into the app. So I will show you all in my next video how to log your information into MyFitnessPal. So yeah, I'll go over that in my next video.